Hi everybody, it's Coach Johnny with Let's Learn Muay Thai. Today we're going over the introduction to elbows. Now when striking with your elbows, always try to strike with the boniest part of the elbow. As we get towards the middle of the arm to the wrist, the arm becomes weaker. We want to stay close to the boniest part. Now from here, we're going to work on elbows that follow the horizontal plane. This is our east to west or our west to east. You'll notice my protecting hand is up and my striking hand, the back of the hand comes to the center of my chest, tightening the elbow. Now let's move on to the vertical plane. These are up elbows. Watch my hands. It's like I'm fixing my hair, even though I don't have any. Coming up and staying tight. Always keeping my guard nice and tight. That way I'm always protected. Now let's work on the diagonals. That way we cover all 8 cardinal points of the compass. As you can see, we come down, retrace our steps. Come down, retrace the step. Come down, retrace the step. There are so many elbows to throw in Muay Thai. These are our first few that I would like you to learn. I hope you liked it. Thanks for coming and joining us. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe. See ya!